Right, so in this video we have a look at that Qualcast push mower. I'll put the model number up here. I've already done this once, but I've lost the footage. If you're new around here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and hit that little bell notification somewhere down there so you know every time I upload. Thanks. Let's get into a video. Right, I just want to give a shout out to Ian Matthews. I've got the rarest sticker on the lot there, Ian Matthews sticker. There we go, I'll leave you a link in the description to his channel. Go and check him out. So I lost the first part of this footage, but I'm drilling a hole in the handle so I can move the throttle cable up. But I've lost the video, the part of a video where I say this. So yeah. Right, so as you can see, move a hole up from there to there. Hopefully that'll do. It's a bit off, but it should still do. And we'll put the cable on there now. The belt fits through, as you can see. There we go. I need to trim the belt a bit off, but that should do. So I'm going to whack this back on the machine now and show you once we've put it on. So I've done that, as you can see, done there. If it's focusing, hopefully. It's done there, just need to tighten it up, and that works perfectly fine there. So the brake works, and I got this tip from Roy's the Boys. He done it in one of his latest videos. So yeah, I'll leave a link to Roy down in the description of this video. So go and check him out. He's another chap who does small engine repairs and stuff like that. He's a decent chap. He's got a lot more subscribers than me. Go and check him out if you've probably already got him, but check him out. So what we'll do now, I've already tried pulling this, nothing, not doing anything. So what I'm going to do is put my spark plug tester on and test if we've got spark first of all. Right, let's see if it's got spark. So it does have spark. So I need to get that onto there. So voila.
We gonna play now, ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving
Right, so that's Qualcast with a 450e on. I'll put a picture up with its basket and everything as a thumbnail, I think. That's getting clean now, and the blade's going to be sharpened, because I don't normally say that in the video, but I am going to come out with a video showing you how I sharpen my blades, because I haven't got power tools or anything, so most people use a grinder. That's what I used to do when I had space at a house to do it in. So I'll show you how to do that. That'll have a new clean filter, and I'm getting a new spark plug. I'm just waiting for the parts to come in. So yeah, that's getting clean now as we speak. So if you want to see more videos, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Enjoy the climb, enjoy the grind, you never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, make them take it back what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo,